Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to quickly launch apps on Windows 10 using keyboard shortcuts. Windows 10 taskbar lets you pin your frequently used applications to it. Once pinned, you can use Windows plus app number such as Windows plus 1, Windows plus 2 shortcuts to launch it. Here, app number is the order in which the app appears on the taskbar like this. This one is on position 1, 2, 3, 4. To pin an app to the taskbar, search for the app on the start menu and right click on the app you want to pin, and here select more option and then click on this one pin to taskbar. Now that particular app will sit on the taskbar on Windows 10 PC. Once apps are pinned to the taskbar, you can click and drag to the different position to rearrange it in order which you want to launch it. Your taskbar may have different items like search bar, task view, widgets. These are not launchable through this specific keyboard shortcuts. So the app that you pin after this takes slot 1. That means File Explorer is on slot 1, and after next one is in my PC it is Brave, and like this we can launch it by pressing Windows plus app number. While this method is fairly simple, its biggest drawback is that you can only use the taskbar shortcuts for a maximum of 10 applications, and to launch the 10th app, you can use Windows plus 0 keyboard shortcut. This will be used for 10th position app. Windows plus 1 will be the first position of the app. That means when I will press Windows plus 1, it will open File Explorer. When I will press Windows plus 2, it will open Brave browser. Similarly, I can open up to 10 applications from the taskbar pinned items. In case you want to launch more apps through keyboard shortcut, you have to take another step. You can create a desktop shortcut for any you can create a desktop a shortcut key for any desktop shortcut icon. Just create a desktop shortcut for the icon. If you don't know, I will just guide you in few seconds. I have just deleted this one. Just click on this one, a start button. Find the app, right click on it. You want to create a desktop shortcut, and then click on this one, more option, and then select here, open file location. Just copy this one shortcut to the desktop and paste it to the desktop. Now we have a desktop shortcut for Brave browser, and I want to create a keyboard shortcut. For that, right click on this one application and select here properties option. In the properties dialog box, switch to this one shortcut tab, then put your cursor under shortcut key, and here you can press any letter or number from the keyboard. For instance, I have pressed 1, and Windows 10 will automatically add Ctrl plus Alt to that shortcut. Now click on this one apply and then OK button. Similarly, you can create more shortcuts for more applications, and to launch this one short application I can use Ctrl plus Alt plus 1 because I have defined it in the properties shortcut key. Similarly, you can assign Ctrl plus Alt plus 2 for second item, I mean app, Ctrl plus Alt plus 3 for the next app, or you can use letters also such as Ctrl plus Alt plus A, Ctrl plus Alt plus B. Like this, you can define keyboard shortcuts for any application on your Windows 10 PC.